Hello learners, today we will start our fifth chapter, that is acid, bases and salts. Perhaps you have seen a bottle of acid in your house. Acid is often used to clean things. Many other things in our house are acidic, for example lemon and vinegar. On the other hand, if you see many things like toothpaste, then soap, shampoo, they all are basic in nature. What are acids and bases and how do we distinguish between them? That will be all about this chapter. So as an introduction, acid, bases and salts are the three important groups of chemical substances that are used by us in different ways. Some of the acid, bases and salts occur in nature and they can be made artificially in factories also. So we will study three of them one by one. So now let's begin with acids and bases. If you see acids, the word acid has been taken or derived from the Latin word. It has got a Latin origin and its meaning is acidus, which means sour. Thus, all sour substances contain acid. Substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch, they are called bases. So, if we have to distinguish between acid and bases, now we know that acids, they are sour in taste and they are not soapy on touch. But on the other hand, bases, they have got bitter taste. B for base, B for bitter. You can learn like this. So bases have got bitter taste and they feel soapy on touch. When you touch them, they feel soapy on touch. Okay, so this is the first and major difference between acids and bases. Edible substances and their taste. You come across many substances, edible substances which you can eat and they have got different taste. Like if you see lemon juice, they are sour in taste. Orange juice, again sour in taste. Vinegar, curd and tamarind, that is imli, all three are sour in taste. Then sugar is sweet, we all are aware of. Then salt is salty obviously. Amla, that is gooseberry, that is sour in taste. Baking soda, which your mother uses for baking cakes and biscuits etc., that is bitter in taste. Grapes, they can be sweet, they can be sour depending upon whether they are ripe or unripe. Now, acids and their sources. So today we will begin these three chemicals and out of them we will discuss acids. If you see vinegar, it has got acetic acid. If you see in case of ants sting, that has got formic acid. That's why whenever ant sting us, then we feel some kind of irritation or we get hurt because of the formic acid which is released by the ant's sting. Then if you see all the citrus fruits or juicy fruits like orange, lemons, they contain citric acid. Curd, that is yogurt, it is rich in lactic acid. Then our favorite green vegetable, that is spinach, that is rich in oxalic acid. Then vitamin C has got ascorbic acid, and we know all the citrus fruit like amla and other citrus fruits, they are rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is very important to improve the immunity. Nowadays, you know, to boost up immunity, that is very essential and primarily things. Immunity means the power of the body or the capacity of the body to fight back the diseases. So this vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, helps our body to build up its immunity. Immunity is the power to fight back diseases. Then our tamarind, that is imli, grapes, unripe mango, all of these contain tartaric acid. Apple is not given here, but apple contain malic acid. So these all are the acids and their sources. Now in this slide you can see, you can have a visual representation of your organic acids. Organic acids like citric acid and malic acid, formic acid, these are organic acid. If we have acid, we can divide them into two bifurcations. First is, one is your organic acid and another one is your mineral acids. So acids can be further divided into two categories. One is organic acid, which is given in the slide, and another type of acid is mineral acid. Mineral acid like hydrochloric acid, then H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. All these are mineral acids. They are present in labs and they are strong acids. But organic acids, they are weak acid and they are present in like citrus fruit, then the bee sting or the ant sting. So they are present there. Okay. So in this slide we have learned that there are two types of acid, namely organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acids, they are weak or mild, whereas mineral acid, they are considered to be very strong. Thank you very much. Revise well.